Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I want to talk about Fibonacci series. This series sometimes started with 0, sometimes starts with 1, and each steps we go forward, our new number created with sum of two previous number. Let me show you how this happened. If our first number is 0 and the second number is 1, my third number is sum of the 1 and 0, so it's 1. Next step, we should sum 1 and 1. We have 1 and the next number is 1, so the sum of these two numbers is 2. I want you guess the next number. Yes, it is 3. And next number is 5. The sum of 2 and 3. So if I want to type the next number, I should sum the 3 and 5. So I print and type 8. In this tutorial, I want to show you how we can create a program that create this series, and if I type a number like 5, it show me the fifth number of this series. So if I type 5, I want to show me the fifth number of this series, so this program should print out 3. Let's create this program. At first, I want to create a list with two numbers, the two first numbers 0 and 1. My fib list is 0 and 1. In next step, I want to create a loop that add number to my list. I use for I in range. I can type a range of number that I want to create my list. So I type 0 to 1000. This number will be length of my list, or a number near my end of list. Okay, let's complete our loop and use if statement. If I is more than 1, do something for me. What is I? I is index of my number in this list, so it is 0. If I want to use index for this number, my index is 1. So if my index or I is greater than 1, we have the third number in my list, I want to do something for my list. I want to add a new number that is the sum of the two previous number. So let's create this new number and then add this new number to my list. So I create a new variable, I call it new number. This is sum of two number, so I type my list or my fib list index I minus 1, and I sum this with my fib list index I minus 2, and then I want to add my new number to my fib list. So my fib list dot extend my new number. I have a question for you. Why we use extend here and we don't use another method like append and insert or anything else? Think about it and type your answer in comments, and in next tutorial I will talk about this. Let's print my list and see the result. I want to delete this line and let's go. Okay, we have an error. It's not iterable, so I should convert this to something like list, dictionary, and other things like this. So I type new number list equals, oh my god, is a big number. Let's limit it to 10 and clear my terminal CLS and run it again. Okay. It's 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and other numbers. Let's search internet Fibonacci and show you Fibonacci series. Okay, it's 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and it's all we have here. Okay, in next part I want to create a function that accept a number which is place of my number. Is like, yeah, we have the fifth number, is seventh number, is second number. If I type any number, I want a function. If I type a number, this function should give back the number we have in that place. So I create a function with diff. I use fib finder and it gives number. I use n. You can use anything you want, and then in first step I use my fib list and I type n. In next step I change this a little, and here I use a variable like m without any reason. It's the first letter of my name. Return print m tab and tab. I save it, and now it's time to call my function. I use fib finder and I wanted eighth number of my Fibonacci series and run it. It's 21. Let's see here. Our eighth place Fibonacci number is 21. Completely what we want to do with our function. Let me change this to 9999 and then run it again with a number like 20. I type it 20 and run it. It's 6765 is what we have here. So our program worked completely. I think the way we can create this program is more than 10 or hundreds, and everybody can have different programs that have the same result. So if your program works but it's completely different with me, it's no problem, and it shows you are very creative that solve problem in different ways. Have fun with coding and programming and enjoy it.